So my office worker here at home asked me for a little treat. Kiran is working 8 hours a day on a computer, so she always has a lot of RSI, a lot of repeated strain injuries. So she has pain in the wrist, in the fingers and forearms, all the upper part of the body in general. So she suggests me, why not creating some tips for office workers that are going home and maybe they can find somebody treating them with with some relaxing shiatsu. So we created these 3 tutorials for you to learn together how to treat people that are coming home tired from the office. So the first thing we will see is some exercises on the back, then we will work on the arm on the second episode, and on the third episode we will do some stretches on the arms. So let's go and see how to treat our office worker when they come home.